All right, here's how to complete this assignment once you open it from your teacher. You're going to need for your name or ID. For me, you're going to enter your 900 number. Okay, now I had started this before and you can see that my results were already here. All right, so which is good. I'm going to show you again how to enter text. So you click text, enter it. This is what I did up there. Put my name, and right here is how I'm going to resize it. And then when I see the hand, I can move it around. Okay, that's easy for text boxes. Now for the multiple choice questions, you are just going to click on the box, not the box, the circle that you think shows the correct answer. And you're going to do that for all the multiple choice questions. Choose the circle in front of the answer choice you believe is correct. For matching, I'm going to show you, see all of a sudden this crayon appears. Okay, so you can click on a word and then you're going to click on a vocabulary term and then it's going to draw a line. You have to click and hold. Okay, so I'm going to click on a term, hold it, and drag it over. I could start this way, click on a term, drag, hold, and drag it over to the term. Okay, so that's how you're going to complete matching. For true false, you're just going to click on either select true false for all these options, which one you think is correct. For fill in the blank, here you're going to have a drop down menu. You're going to click on the one that you believe is correct. Okay, to check your work, whichever one is highlighted when you click on it is the one that you've chosen. Okay. Again, some of them have 3, some have more choices. Okay. And then for body cavity labeling, it says label each numbered item with one word only and spelling matters. So I'm simply going to type the word I feel is correct in the box. That's it. No spaces, no extra letters, one single word. Okay, when I'm all finished, okay, now if I didn't finish it, I could save it for later, but if I'm all finished, I'm going to click I'm done. It's going to warn me that I didn't finish it, because in this case, I definitely didn't. But if you are really done, click OK. Now I'm going to see a progress bar, and then I will see my results. Okay. These results will be sent to my teacher, and I will be able to view my score.